Hello everyone, Dalton's Garage tuning in with you today, and as the title says, we are going to find out what is inside of this all-famous Bitcoin. Here I have one I purchased off of Craigslist this morning, and here's a little case the seller included with it. We're not going to need that, obviously. I got my old trusty grinder here, and we're just going to get right into it. Get this grinder plugged in, and we will find out just exactly what is inside of these old so famous Bitcoins. So follow me along and we will get to it. Alright, we have the ever so trusty grinder, and I went ahead and put some masking tape on the side of the Bitcoin and clamped it down with some pliers to prevent it from getting scratched up anymore. So, further ado, let's get right in. If we can make an even cut. Alright, as you can see, we're making it through. It's looking like a different metal, not gold, in the center. I'm not sure what's up with that. Let's go ahead and continue the best we can. I'll try to get this on video. Alright, we are through. And that's a little warm. Oh, yeah, that's a little warm. No, that's very interesting. That looks to be just regular metal. Huh. That is very interesting. Let's get this piece here. Yeah, to get the camera zoomed in here. That is just regular old metal. I don't know if that's a coating out there. I mean, huh. Well, thanks for watching. That's what's inside of a Bitcoin. We found out today, so Dalton's Garage signing out. We'll leave it at that right there. Catch you later.